Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys my Rubik's Cube collection of early 2020. I made a Rubik's Cube video before. It was the first video on my YouTube channel. It was how to solve the 2x2. It was a really bad tutorial. So I'm gonna make a new one pretty soon, hopefully. So yeah, I've been collecting Rubik's Cubes for a while now, and yeah, let's get started. First one, I want to start out with the first cube I ever got, the Rubik's 2.0 cube, I guess. This cube is a really bad turning cube. Not the worst turning cube I have, but still pretty bad. It's really loud. You can listen. So, it's out of focus. Okay, so, yeah, it is a pretty bad cube, but I always put it first because it was the first cube I ever got. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, now I want to move on to the 2x2s. So right here, I have to put it up to the camera and then slowly outwards so it's in focus. Okay, so right here we have this mysterious 2x2 that I have no idea how it appeared in my collection. I just saw it and I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know what brand it is either, but this was the cube I used for the how to solve a 2x2 tutorial. So it turns okay, I guess. It doesn't corner cut, just a little tiny bit, but it's really mysterious. And yeah, that's basically all for this one. Next we have this carbon fiber, oh my goodness, carbon fiber Defantix 2x2. It's not in Phantom Pink. You can see it's red. So, this cube was the third Rubik's Cube I ever got, and it turns not good. It doesn't corner cut, nothing. And, yeah, not the best cube, but still keep it, because it's a collector's item. Next up, we have this Chi cube thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, this is my main. It turns really good, doesn't corner cut too well, but still pretty good cube. I don't really have much to say about this, but yeah, let's just move on. So next up, we're moving on to 3x3s. I know I don't have that many cubes as other YouTubers, but yeah. So This right here is a carbon fiber, Defantix carbon fiber 3x3. Very similar to this one. It's the same brand actually, except the 3x3 turns a lot better. Pretty good turning. But yeah, it turns really good. And yeah, it's a good thing to have on my collection. Next up, we have this concaved design. Oh my goodness, it's not focusing. Okay, finally. So, this right here is a YJ 3x3 concaved. I think that's how you say it. But, this cube, it turns pretty good. It feels kind of sandy though. I haven't modified it or anything. It corner cuts really well. But yeah, it's a pretty interesting cube to have in my collection. But yeah, I guess. Right here we have a Yushin. Oh my gosh. Focus. Do I just leave it here? Will it focus by itself? Oh, I think it did. Okay, so this right here is a Yushin Black Kirin 3x3 in transparent. Sadly, this did break, as you can see right here. The piece did pop, and then it snapped. So yeah, I don't think that's gonna be able to fix. But I still keep it as a collector's item. But yeah, pretty sad that it broke. Yeah, the pieces did not go together. So yeah, on to the next 3x3. We have this 3D printed 3x3. This doesn't have any stickers on it, just does not turn good. Feels kind of sticky in a way, but I don't know how to mod this or anything, so I just have it in my collection. So yeah. Next we have some tiny cubes right here. We have this weird color scheme one. It's not focusing. I think if I just leave it, it should. No? Okay. This cube my brother actually got for me, and it does not turn good. Oh my. Yeah, not the best cube, but I still keep it. So, yeah. Next up we have a even smaller cube that turns just about the same. It is even smaller, and I think it turns worse. Like, I don't think this is the Rubik's world's tiniest cube, but oh my. Not the best. But oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stop turning it there. It turns absolutely horrible. So yeah, I think it's not that good. But next we have a tiny speed cube. My friend actually got this for me. So this actually turns a lot better than those other ones. But let me try to do H frame on this. Yeah, so this does turn really well, and I think it turns really well. I think I just said that, but still, it's really loose. So yeah, turns good. Yeah. Okay, so that's all the 3x3 cubes I have, and onto the other WCA puzzles that I have. First up, we have a Z-Cloud Pyraminx. I think my camera's up too close, but I don't really care. There's nothing too interesting about the top, but it turns okay. First Pyraminx I ever got. It has ball bearings. It snaps into place. Take a listen. Here, let me try that again. Yeah, so nothing too interesting about this. It's the only Pyraminx I have. But yeah, that's about it for the Pyraminx. Yeah. So next up we have a cheesy cube. I don't know what type it is. I think that's ball bearings. Snaps into place too. Yeah, so doesn't turn too bad. I think it turns pretty good. It's the only cube I have. But yeah, I just have it. So next up we have this square one thing. I think this is a Chi square one that I don't know the name of, but yeah, it's just not, it pops a lot. I was doing an algorithm on it, and then a piece popped out, but it's really easy to pop the edge pieces back in. But yeah, pretty decent, I guess. Okay, next up, we have, I think that's all the other WCA puzzles I have. So onto cuboids. I have this YJ super floppy cube 1x3x3. This turns okay for 1x3x3, but not the best. I like this cube because it's like just interesting to see how many shapes you can make. Here's one, for example. But yeah, it's a pretty fun cube to solve. It does shape shift, just like the square one earlier. This is, yeah, pretty cool. Next, I don't have any more like cuboids, but so we're on to shape mods. I have a few of these. Right here we have some 2x2 mirror cube thing. I don't know where it's from. I just got it, but I think it turns pretty good, and yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so next I have the Black Kieran mirror cube, I think. That's in red. I think it turns amazing. Just pretty cool. But yeah, pretty good cube, I guess. One of my brother's favorites to mix up. I just wanted to say that because I don't really know. So next up we have this cube, which is a Moyu asymmetrical cube. This cube looks normal here, but if you look at the side, the shapes are uneven, and it goes all around these sides of the cube, and then yellow and white are just normal ones. So it shape shifts on the x-axis and the y-axis, I guess, and then I guess z-axis? I don't know, I'm not that smart, but if you turn it like this, the cube doesn't shape shift, unlike if you turn it this way, it does. So yeah, pretty cool cube. Nothing too special to say about it. Next we have a Chi windmill cube that is stickerless. Nothing too cool about it. Sorry for the audio. There's something going on nearby, but I hope you guys can still hear me just by the fact that there's something going on nearby. But yeah, so pretty cool. the best thing about a windmill cube is the checkerboard pattern, which is this. It looks pretty cool, but yeah, pretty simple. Next I have the I dropped it. Oh my goodness. So right here we have the Fisher cube. Luckily it didn't break or anything. So right here we have the Fisher cube, and the audio stopped, which I'm thankful for. But this is a Chi Fisher cube, and stickerless, got at the same time as the windmill cube. It looks really similar, and you just have to look at how it's different on the white and yellow sides. As you can see on the windmill cube, right here, if you put it side by side, or I guess like that, they aren't too symmetrical with each other, and yeah, it's a bit different, so it's pretty cool. Next we have a Shangshao Master Morphix that has a lighter color scheme than some others, but it's just a 3x3. If you look at this is like the center, these are the edges, and these are the corners. Yeah, nothing too special. It shapeshifts on every angle except 180. So yeah, yeah. So next up we have a Penrose cube. So if you don't know what a Penrose cube is, there's only three colors, and they're like connected to each other, and pretty cool. It's just solves like a 3x3. I do an algorithm, doesn't turn too good, but yeah, pretty fun to solve. Yeah. Okay, so next I have a carbon fiber barrel cube. I don't remember exactly what brand this is. This is pink, and it doesn't go together with the other carbon fiber cubes, which I'm really sad about. And the audio's back. But, yeah, I think it doesn't turn too well. You can hear the snapping and stuff. If you put it like that, it looks like the Fisher cube. But, yeah. So, the last, no, not really. But, so, this is a Pandora cube. This actually looks like the Scube, if you guys remember what that was, which is this. It looks like a Scube and a Scube, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry. But, this is actually just a 3x3. It just turns like a 3x3. Many other YouTubers were disappointed that because they thought it was going to be a Scube too. It was just a 3x3. But yeah, pretty cool. This was the newest cube I have. So yeah, pretty cool. Next I have this. This was a Z cylinder 3x3 until I was, I guess, speed solving it and it exploded, and then I picked up the pieces that I could get. I feel like I'm missing the white center cap. So this is the this is the core. I have the yellow center cap somewhere in the bag, but yeah, I don't know how to fix all this, so I just have it in a plastic bag. Okay, let me just set this up. Okay. So next in the shape mods that's not a 3x3 is the, oh my gosh. Okay. This is the Mo Fang Yi something Ivy cube. It is pretty, it's a shape mod of a cube, except that some of the corners are cut off, I guess. I think if you look like in here, this is where some of the corners are. But pretty easy cube to solve. One of the easiest ones, right next to the floppy cube. But yeah. And finally, we have the Chi Dino Cube Jelly. It's a jelly because it's like a bit transparent. And I think it kind of turns like an Ivy cube. But like right here is one whole piece instead of like it's being split into 4. So some people look at it like this, just like the Master Morphics. Right here is the center, edges, and then corners and stuff. But I don't think that's how it works. But yeah, I think it is pretty fun to solve. But yeah, that's about it, I guess. So thanks for watching this video. If I could get all my cubes in the frame, I think I'm too close up. I don't really care. But that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.